Hey guys, Dustin Knight here, bringing you another video. And yes, I got blue hair today. I've decided to change it up and do a different style, so why not? Anyways, Phone Sensei has given me a new idea. I don't think it's going to work, but we're going to go ahead and try the Galaxy 6 Edge here and try to separate the glass. Most likely this is not going to work out, but we are going to try anyways. Basically, we're going to take a string on the side and try to cut it through the side, which in theory, if you go along the edge, maybe that would possibly work. So that's why we're going to give it a go. It's always best to send in your full assemblies like this if you guys want your screens fixed. And just to let you know, all Galaxy repairs, all glass repairs, all Nexus repairs are $100. You just have to mention this video. You pay shipping both ways. Anyways, let me guys know what you think of the crazy blue. It looked like this Smurf died in my bathroom yesterday. It was pretty bad. Blue was just everywhere. So it was a lot of fun. But after 2 dyes, I finally got it really blue. And I'm thinking about changing to possibly black and blue. So anyways, okay, onward towards the video here. Okay, so I got my vacuum machine on, and it's holding down the screen quite nicely. It is at 100 degrees Celsius. And I got my Malignant string wire here. And see if I can actually get in there. I probably can't, so I'm just going to use my new tool, the iFlex tool. It's really ultra thin. It's pretty awesome. Just to help me get in there. And under the digitizer here. See how I'm getting under this plastic piece here? In reality, we just want to start getting on up here. You gotta be really careful not to slice the digitizer plastic piece here, because that controls your touch. I've created an entry. In theory, this should work. The string won't go low enough. Okay, so let's try to create the opening a little bit more. Now that I sliced the digitizer a little bit more, maybe I can get in there. My string's coming loose a little bit. Make sure your string is underneath. I'm having trouble getting mine underneath here. It wants to cut in. That's where you don't want to do. Just stay there for a second. Come on. Take my flat tool here again. Let's try that. That's unfortunate. The string broke. I'm gonna have to pull it out. What I'm doing is resetting the string, remaking a new one. I don't know if E-Trade Supply has this particular string available, but if they do, I'm sure she'll link it in the description below. You guys are welcome to try this craziness if I can just get a faster process on it. My ideal would be to get a freezer machine . Gosh darn it! Yeah, this string doesn't normally break this easy. Sure pissed me off though. I hate when the string breaks. Just using a lot of pressure and force it down. Try it again. It's really hard to enter. Really? Oh my gosh. What a pain in the ass. Jeez. Yeah, it's getting frustrating that it's cutting so much. So long strokes, and then I'll help not break the string. That's the problem, is I wasn't doing long enough strokes. You can actually see the string go through the display. Try straightening it up a little bit. That way you have nice even strokes coming out of the display. Oh! Son of a bitch! That's just unreal. Sorry for all the swearing, guys. I don't normally swear this much, but this is one frustrating repair. I have really long strokes right now. I keep on moving stuff way over there, almost as far as I can reach. Nice and even strokes, guys. Okay, here we go. I'm doing this because the glue is probably really thick and strong. I don't want to tear the display pulling it up. Safe to say I didn't break anything, it looks like, which is good. So what I'll probably end up doing is I'll end up cleaning this off and then I'm going to put it against excuse me. Then I'm going to take it out, take this one out of this frame, and I'm going to take out the button, and I'm going to use that as my mold, and then bend this around, and I'm going to put the glass around it and glue it down. Is most likely what I'm going to do. If this ends up working, I won't know until I get a Galaxy 6 Edge in here to test. But for the most part, it looks like it's going to work just fine. So let's go to about my new method of cleaning these displays here. You guys, if you haven't seen any of my new videos, you're going to like this. So as you can see, it's not going to stick down very well. We'll probably have to move these cables out of the way very carefully. Usually I use metal tools to do this, but I'm going to use business cards. So you might be asking, what am I doing? I'm going to do a quick method of glue removal.